In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur part of image in BeFunky. We'll walk through the built-in blur effect and how to apply it precisely where you want, so you can soften backgrounds or draw attention to a subject with a clean, professional look. Start by heading to the BeFunky dashboard. From there, open the photo editor. This brings you into the main workspace with your canvas in the center and a toolbar along the left. Next, choose Open, then select Computer and pick the photo you want to edit. High-resolution images generally give you smoother, more natural blur transitions, so they're a great choice for this technique. With your image loaded, select the Blur tool. You'll see controls for the effect, typically including an intensity or amount slider. Set a comfortable starting point, enough blur to clearly soften details, but not so much that the image looks artificial. Don't worry if the entire photo becomes blurry right now. We're about to target the effect so it only appears where you want it. Click Select to turn the effect into a selective edit. This is where you decide which parts of the photo should be affected by the blur. Choose Keep. In this mode, the areas you paint will be kept sharp, while the rest of the image retains the blur. It's perfect for highlighting a person or product and pushing the background out of focus. Before you paint, adjust your brush settings. Increase brush size for large areas and decrease it for edges and small details. A softer brush helps create feathered transitions that blend naturally. A harder brush gives more defined lines. Zoom in for precision around hair, hands, or intricate shapes. Then start brushing over the subject or area you want to stay crisp. Use slow, controlled strokes and release the mouse or stylus regularly so you can undo smaller sections if needed. If you notice halos or harsh lines, lower brush hardness and lightly pass over the edges to smooth them out. You can also revisit the blur intensity slider to fine-tune how strong the background blur appears as you work. Take a moment to toggle your view or zoom out and check the overall balance. The goal is a subtle, consistent blur that guides the eye without looking overly processed. If you make a mistake, a quick undo will help, and small, frequent adjustments are better than one heavy pass. And that's it. You've selectively blurred part of your image in BeFunky, using the blur effect with Select Set to Keep for a clean, focused result.